Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and today we have an absolute treat for you. A 2024 model XSR 900 GP. Just look at it. Absolutely stunning. It's covered just a shade over 2,000 miles. It's in superb order throughout, as you will see when we walk round. As you can see, it's got the fairing lowers on the seat cowl and the very desirable Akrapovic exhaust system. So if we start at the front, we have the single light on the fairing there. Again, no stone chips, no marks, no nothing. Dark screen on the top. In the light you can just see a little tiny couple of polishing marks, but actually that doesn't detract from the bike at all when you get it out in the daylight. Moving down, front mudguard, again unmarked on both sides. Looking through, if you can just see there is a radiator guard fitted. Again, forks, lovely, as you would expect of the mileage. Moving round, the suspension lowers there and the brakes. Obviously, this has the higher end suspension where you can adjust the slow speed damping down at the bottom there. As you can see, that is on both sides. Moving up to the side here, lovely. Again, just a couple of tiny, as you can see, just a tiny little marks there, but they're not even scratches, they're just marks. The ends of the levers. I just want to point this little mark out here. The bike has got a coating on to protect it from stone chips, etc. And all this is just the side of the coating. It's not a scratch on the fairing. Moving down. Again, fairing lower is lovely. The infamous CP3 engine, which is renowned for being probably one of the best engines in the business. And again, looking around the bike, absolutely gorgeous. And again, the exhaust, the dedicated XSR one. Rear suspension in there. Again, looking at the panels, pretty much unmarked throughout. Has got a tail tidy fitted. Down here, rear brakes. Wheels are all lovely. I'm being quite deliberately just so you can take in the absolute stunning looks of this bike. Again, chain sprocket, swing arm, remote preload there, and a quick shifter. And again, the engine covers this side here. Moving back up to the upper part of the fairing, and the wing mirrors on this side. Going round to the front of the bike, back down, and again, all lovely as you would have expected at this mileage. Going round to the cockpit area. As you can see there, it's been fitted with the paint protection film, and you've got the latest Yamaha switchgear including cruise control and all the different menus on there. And on this side you have the mode button and the starter. If we turn the ignition on, you'll see there 2,085 miles. Obviously, being the latest display, you can change the theme to suit. I feel this is probably the best one, with the digital tacho right smack bang in the middle and your speedo off to the left, but you do have 4 different themes to choose from. Just a quick walk around while it's running. And there we have it, an absolute stunning motorcycle. Please give us a call or drop us an email for any more information or to leave a deposit. Thanks very much.